If you're someone who doesn't want to make more money, don't watch this video. But if you're tired of feeling stuck in your 9 to 5, want to make an extra 10K this month, and actually enjoy the work you do, stick around. And no, it's not by working endless hours, selling cheap products, or doing something you hate. It's actually through a proven method that helped me manage 5 businesses while escaping the 9 to 5 grind. So if you're stuck in a job that drains you, feeling like there's no way out, or you're tired of seeing others succeed while you struggle, keep watching. I'm about to show you how I used high-ticket consulting to run multiple businesses and escape the 9 to 5 grind, and how you can do the same without crashing out. I'm someone who used to feel stuck, broke, and unable to leave my 9 to 5 tech job, but now I run 5 businesses in different industries: music, gaming, business consulting, life improvement, and education. This didn't happen by luck though. I spent 6 years trying everything in the book, from drop shipping to investing, and I failed a lot. But I eventually came up with a system that uses scalable strategies that anyone can use, and I'll break them down step by step in this video. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to start building your dream business and hit 10K a month without crashing out. And if you want to fast track your success, click the link in the description to book a call with me. Here are 3 common mistakes people make. Mistake number 1, they rely solely on low ticket sales. This is a big one. If you're focusing on low ticket products or services, you'll need hundreds, if not thousands, of clients to hit your income goals. On the other hand, high ticket offers allow you to scale your income with far less clients. The key here is to stop selling cheap products and focus on premium services that provide real transformation. Mistake number 2, trying to juggle too many tasks without a clear system. Most people make the mistake of jumping into online business without a solid strategy, and they end up overwhelmed. Instead of chasing every opportunity, you need a system. I use the same strategy across all of my businesses because it works, and I'll show you exactly how to use it in your own business. Mistake number 3, trying to use too many platforms at once. I get it, there's a lot of noise out there, and it can be tempting to jump on every platform. But trust me, trying to do everything at once will lead to burnout. Start by mastering one platform, build your authority there, and then expand when you're ready. This system is all about offering premium services to a niche audience that's ready to pay for transformation. The reason high-ticket consulting works so well is because you don't need a ton of clients. You just need a few that are willing to pay for results. Charge what your solution is worth, not based on time. The key is to identify your target audience's biggest pain points, create a solution that transforms their situation, and price it based on the value of that transformation. You can easily scale your income by charging at least $1,000 for these premium services and taking on a few clients per month if you choose something like consulting. For example, I help solopreneurs build online businesses that allow them to quit their 9 to 5 job, earn sustainably, and create time for things they love. This transformation is sought by the majority of people working 9 to 5 jobs that they hate. So I built a system to help them escape that reality. So here's some tips to get started. Start by choosing one of your passions and one main income stream. I chose YouTube. Next, identify what problems people in your niche face. The more you know about their problems, the easier it'll be to create transformation. After that, create a high-value offer with digital products or services. For example, ebooks, courses, systems, or consulting. I personally like consulting because I enjoy solving problems for people and helping them feel more peace of mind, which helps better the world. And lastly, you need to market your content on your platform of choice by including CTAs, which stands for call to action, and links in your content. I rely on simple systems like Gumroad for selling digital products and Square for booking consultations. They have clean layouts, are free to start, and include all the things I need to run my business smoothly. I then create content on YouTube to easily market my products and services. This one strategy will get you ahead of 99% of people. To make this work long term, you need to be able to avoid burnout. So make sure to block out 2 to 4 hours a day to work on setting up these systems for your business. You'll eventually get to a point where you can delegate tasks to free up more time for yourself, like hiring a video editor or a social media manager. And here's the thing, running 5 businesses might sound overwhelming, but when you structure them the right way like I have, it actually gives you more freedom and time to enjoy life. So if you're ready to stop trading your time for money, quit your 9 to 5, and build a high-ticket business that works for you, click the link in the description and book a call with me. I'll work with you one-on-one to help you build your dream business and hit 10K a month. 2025 is your year to level up. Let's make it happen.